Hello students, let's begin with a new chapter, that is chapter of geography. Chapter number 8, the Frigid Zone. The beautiful snow covered land, which part is called as Frigid Zone. Let us understand where this Frigid Zone is located. As you can see, this is our equator, okay, and the regions which are far away from the equator are called as frigid zone. There are two frigid zones, one in each hemisphere, the northern frigid zone and the southern frigid zone. The northern frigid zone lies between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole, that is 90° north, while the southern frigid zone lies between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole, 90° south. The continent of Antarctica is the coldest place in the world and it lies in the southern frigid zone. It is also known as the frozen continent. So you can see over here the land which is totally covered with snow. It hardly gets to see this greenery, very rare. Now let us understand about aurora lights. So what is it? Winters are very severe and temperatures may drop up to -40°C. In summer, which hardly extends from 2 to 3 months. So as I told you over here that the greenery is hardly seen and that is only for 2 or max to max 3 months. The temperature may rise or varying between 3°C and 12°C. So it is not totally the snow doesn't melt, still the temperature is 3 to 12° over here during summers as well. Rainfall may range from 15 to 30 centimeter in a year. During the summer, there is continuous daylight even at midnight. Similarly, in winters, these regions have continuous darkness. So during summers they have what? Daylight, and during winters they have continuous darkness. This situation is reversed in December. Sometimes in the sky is lit up by this beautiful aurora in the northern hemisphere and the other Australians in the southern hemisphere. They are naturally occurring bright lights that are usually observed at night in the polar regions. They are caused by the collision of charged particles from the Earth's atmosphere. So, you can see this beautiful lights. Yes, these are the lights you can see at the night during the winter, especially during the Decembers. It is a tourist attraction place. Now, let us talk about animal life of frigid zone. A few animals such as reindeer, caribou, bear, fox, hare and musk ox, which have adapted themselves to the severe cold, are found here. Some birds such as Arctic tern and snowy owl are inhabited in this region. These animals survive extreme cold. So you can see such cute animals are there. And why they are easily able to be hide themselves over here? Due to their color, as they couldn't find them from the snow. When the snow melts, the color of the fur changes to grayish brown, which can camouflage the animals. So when the snow is not there, even their skin color, the fur color, it means the fur color also changes to grayish brown. So it matches to the rocks available over there, and during the snow they are totally white, so you cannot easily find out where the animal is hidden. Apart from this, animals and birds, plenty of fish, whales, seals and walruses are also found here. See, walrus, the white owl, the bear, reindeer. So all these are the animals which are found in frigid zone. Now let's talk about the plant life of the frigid zone. The soil is permanently frozen except in the summer season. As we have discussed about it, only 2 to 3 months we get where the plants can be seen. Otherwise it is totally covered with the snow. But even though hardly any crops or plants grow here and only the very hard ones survive. So the one which has the hard stem and roots can survive over here. When the snow thaws in summer, some shrubs such as mosses, leeches and grass grow. Some inhabitants do grow few vegetables for personal consumption. It is impossible for trees to grow over here. Now let us talk about the human life of the frigid zone. Life is very harsh and difficult over here. Imagine you people living over here in such snow, how a person would be able to survive. So very few people choose to live in this zone. In the Arctic, we find Inuits who have adapted themselves to the harsh condition. Hunting, trapping of animals and reindeer herding are the major occupations of the people. So, in the picture, it is easily been seen how the people are hunting, how the reindeers are grazing out there. The Inuits were known as Eskimos and lived in the houses called as igloo. So, this is a picture of igloo which is made up of ice. Bows and arrows which were made of the woods and whale's bone were also used. They would hunt these animals on small boats known as kayaks. Now, no longer use of harpoons, but they have started using rifles to hunt animals. Thank you.